Hello folks, good afternoon. Welcome to another video. So time check, it's 2 p.m. and I have no idea what's the date. I'm just gonna put it in the side of the start of our video so I can see. I think it's 5th of April or 4th. I'm not quite sure. But today is just like a regular day. It's hot. It's hot today. I don't know what temperatures is. I don't have any phone with me, even a watch. I forgot in the house. I just bring my camera. And the weather is just stunning. Look how beautiful the weather is today. I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to go to work. I'm gonna go to work later on, but yeah, I don't want to go to work. Look how beautiful the place is. Even the beach is so calm. And everybody's enjoying themselves. Look, wow, this is paradise. Touch up everyone. Look, imagine having one of that sailboat that lying somewhere there in the middle of the ocean, and of course a beautiful beach that we have. And Puerto Ventura right there, you can even see there's still there's a tiny bit of Calima out there. Even maybe if you're there in Puerto Ventura and looking at Lanzarote, it's the same thing, a little bit of Calima. But it's a very nice weather today. It's hot, but you can handle it for sure. So anyway, our day for today. Daily vlogs, eh? I'm just gonna walk around here. See, bars and restaurants are starting to open up for sure in business. So I can give some glimpse of Puerto del Carmen starting to get some light. And the evening here is very busy. Last time we have a dinner in a wok restaurant, a Chinese restaurant, like we always do. We do only the Chinese restaurant, because Bella loves some octopus, and grilled octopus is very hard to find nowadays. We can find it in a wok in a Chinese restaurant, so it's way better for her to enjoy. Me and my wife just have a grilled steak right there, and some of course seafood. It's very nice, very lovely out there. And 20 euro for adults and 10 euros for kids. I think it's way off, bit expensive in my taste, because back then they charged only like 15 or 14 euros, but now they have to charge like almost 20 euros, not including drinks. So a bit expensive, but it's alright. You can have anything you want, and most of the people that working there are our friends. So yeah, it's much easier. They come there and then say hello, and they know what you want. So anyway, construction update. Anything? I don't see any. It's blocking up. I think it's fine. Getting shape there. Getting shape now. Yeah. Maybe when this establishment is gonna finish, it's gonna be busy out here, because it's way better. Look, something like that. You see? Something like that they're gonna do. I hope they do well, so everybody can enjoy it. And of course, some places around here, like these bars and restaurants, are gonna be busy for sure, because of this new attraction that's gonna be fully refurbished in the end of the year. So stay tuned for that. But for now, there's a lot of debris everywhere. Rice paper right there. It's nice. They're starting to make some people now, so it's great. They have some regulars now, which is awesome. They have awesome food. And this is the beer garden as well. And it's very cool. I think they're gonna do some lunch right there, fixing the other the other bar next to them, so they can put some kitchen and then make sandwiches. And of course the Gruta never get old. This is the first ever restaurant, oh sorry, bar that we went with my wife to have a nice cocktail. It's true. Yum Yum is right here. Interesting around here. More and more people are enjoying a few coffees and have the best, you know, the best tiny snacks around, like a normal people do. We went out this afternoon just to have a coffee. My wife and the baby have a little laugh, you know, bonding. And they went to a grocery to buy some food for tomorrow because Bella's gonna go to school now. Holidays finish. I think England or Ireland they have a different they have another week of holiday, but here just a week. And on Monday they're gonna start the school again. So yeah, actually it's tomorrow. Today's Sunday. Tomorrow gonna go to school. So yeah. Big shout out. Now Bella need to go to school. Hey, we're free, we're free. So anyway, Hawaiian bars right here. You know, they do like a sports bar, drinking session. You know, if there's a sports coming in, lots of people come in there and have a few drinks. And of course, all the tiny bars as well. Always supporting locals around here, which is great. So I'm doing now a daily vlogs, as you can see. Daily videos, daily content. And I'm wondering if you're kind of interesting of in this kind of video, you know. I'm here in Puerto del Carmen every day. I'm just posting a video every day. Quite edit sometimes, and yeah, and telling people what's going on every single day. I know in a fact that most of the people are watching our videos at end of the week, you know, in weekends, because they don't do like everyday watching. It really depends. Some of the people I do know they're watching every day, but for half of our subscribers, they have not much time to watch it, so they watch it in a different day. So I always post now with some date on it, so people, you know, can see what's going on in that date, in that time. So I'm here right now, near the Spar. 67 bars right there, and the Wayne's Steakhouse. You know, there's a very popular in Facebook. I always see it. They're posting a great steak right there and great stuff. So never been there. Comment down below if you want to see the restaurant in the evening. Maybe I have a time and make one. So anyway folks, this is the Playa Barranquillo. Look, it's very sad right now. There's no sun to lie down. There's a lot of rocks. Even the kids are not going much farther. I think if you go much farther, it's deep. You know? It's deep now. Look, it's high tide. And the water's coming here. Luckily with that high tide, you know, bringing a little bit of sun to the shore. But yeah, the last storm, oh, that's very different. The last storm is just, they bust everything. They get everything. So yeah. Woohoo! Big shout out to my friend Charlie. Hey Charlie, see you in November. And the family, big shout out Sir Ian and Madam Julie. Thank you for coming every single day in Palm Bay. Thank you very much. I hope to see you again in November. Yeah. Charlie, take care of your mom. Yeah, good boy. There you go. There's a lot of people. There's a lot. I don't know if the rocks is handmade or man-made. I don't think so. You know, I think that one made of the centuries ago. You know, when the volcanic erupts and the water just sharpen it and curve it and become like rounded rocks. It's not very sharp anymore, but that's very slippery, that's for sure. So be careful about that. So planes just keep on arriving in Lanzarote, so that means everybody's having, yeah, the best holiday. And they keep on coming. Look, another plane is coming in. Wow, very nice. You know, I hope it works well, every island that we have here in Canary Islands. And I hope I can tour around. You know, I'm just waiting to Bella to get much older. Well, to be honest, I don't want to. You know, I miss the baby thing, but that's how it is. You know, baby's getting bigger now, and yeah, we need to explore more around here. So I try my best to write it down, every ideas that I have. So if we have a chance, we're gonna make it once, maybe one long video every week. Like we go somewhere else in Lanzarote, so you can see the difference between town to town. So yeah, we're gonna start at Arrecife, and then we go to Teguise, we go to Costa Teguise, something like that. We go to the north side. I don't know. Plans, too many plans. So anyway, folks, this is my day, and this is what I have today in Puerto del Carmen. It's very nice, it's very lovely, very dry. Of course, you know, you can enjoy walking around and having the best day so far. You know, this first week of April is just very awesome. Blue sky, hot weather, so we taste now the summer. I think this coming summer is super hot. We get the longest winter I ever see. So I've been here like 20 years plus of my time, and never experienced a long winter like we experienced this year. So yeah, big shout out to Lanzarote. It's been green for a while. Yeah, look, the breeze is hot coming from this beach, this shore. You know, there's a lot of improvements they need to do around here, especially in this part. You know, maybe they put some nice walk path for the people, so even the people especially with the people have some disability, can walk around here, or I mean can go around here. I hope they put some you know, nice path walk for disabled people, so they can enjoy this view as well. You know, and this one as well is making progress day by day. So I think they're starting somewhere there and paint all this up, and maybe it's for lease for some people, maybe next year, or who knows, and start to, you know, start to get some attention again, and you know, open to public. So we have some great music going on in the background, so I need to talk straight away. So folks, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. I hope you're enjoying this little video we do every single day. Try my best to make it 10 minutes here, 10 minutes there, and a video everywhere. So yeah, this week I didn't do much because I'm only here in Puerto del Carmen, and Bella's holiday, so I need to be with her every single day, enjoying the time. And maybe when she go to school, we're gonna make more videos out of Puerto del Carmen, or maybe somewhere in the old town. Yeah, we're gonna make one. So folks, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and enjoying the vlogs. Wow, look at the mountain at the back. And I hope you enjoy our video for today. So if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. See you in the next one. Peace. Woo! Enjoy the day. I guarantee if you come here today, you got sweat. It's hot. Don't forget your sunscreen. So folks, that's it. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching, and adios. Bye bye. So by the way, a big shout out to people of India. Happy Fiesta, everyone. Happy Holy Moly. Cheers.